Hello, everyone. It's Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video this evening. Today is April 24th. And again, I want to talk about the Power Lead system. For those that don't know, I've been promoting the Power Lead system for 2 years, and why they've been paying me out consistently for the last 2 years. I was able to generate $70,000 with them just last year alone, and it continues to increase. So what I want to do is talk about what the Power Lead system does and how you can utilize it and how it can help you to grow a full-time income. Okay. Power Lead system was actually one of many breakthroughs that I had online when I came into the industry. And it was one of the programs where I started to earn consistently because they do pay out weekly, and it just kept growing and growing from there. So just to give you a little bit of backstory, I had the Power Lead system years ago, back in 2015, and I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't know how to use it. I didn't know anything about share codes and funnels and things of that nature. And once I started utilizing it, I realized how easy it was to use it, okay? So ever since I started using it, once I joined in 2017, I started to utilize it. In the end of 2017, someone told me to just keep running traffic to it and allow the email series, because there is an autoresponder connected to it, let that do the work for you. What I love about the Power Lead system is that they have live trainings 2 to 3 times a week. So you can get on and get connected with 6-figure earners that share their methods that they use, their training and things of that nature to make this business work. Not only that, when you join my team, I also have the funnels that I use that convert well to allow me to bring in thousands of dollars on a weekly basis utilizing the Power Lead system. So right here for this week, I have $1,442.11 that I can deposit into my account. And then what I want to also show you is how I was able to deposit a total of, I think, $4,000 from the Power Lead system into my personal bank account. So that's just to show you how powerful the program is. And there's so many people that need funnels and that can use a funnel to fund, for their business. And that's the power and the beauty of utilizing the Power Lead system. Not only that, they also allow you to get residual commissions on top of one-time payments. And, that's extremely powerful as well. So if we go right into my bank account here, in 1 second while I pull it up, you'll see where, give me a second here. One second. I'm gonna just pull this over so you can see my screen. Okay, so right here, Priceless Possibilities, which is through the payment method that they use, I was paid the next day from the Power Lead system $4,883.26 directly into my bank account. And guys, a lot of people can use this type of money. They can leave their job being able to earn this type of money. So what I do is I generate leads to my funnel using mainly free traffic. And I show people free traffic strategies that I use on a daily basis that allows me to bring in commissions consistently, okay? So what we have here is different levels. We have the gold level, which you make a $53 payment per month. It allows you to get unlimited $20 commissions. At the diamond level, you make a one-time payment of $147, and it allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. At the platinum level, you make a one-time payment of $497, and you get unlimited $400 commissions. And at the highest level, you will pay, I think it's $1,400, and it allows you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions, okay? So here, if we go into my email account, my Gmail account, priceless possibilities, type that in. Here, these are all the leads that I have coming in, okay, on a consistent basis. And if you can see here today, I have a total of, so far, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leads, which is not a lot, but it's enough for me to earn consistently. And then on the 23rd, I had about the same amount, maybe a little bit more. And then the 22nd, I had slightly few more leads, okay? And these are the leads that come in consistently to me. Then if we go in here and type in Diamond Member, these are all of the Diamond memberships that I receive. They're $100 per Diamond member. And as you can see, they are very consistent. If we go back to March, as you can see here, March 14th, all of these Diamond members that I've had, and also for the month of April, very consistent. And then the Fast Start bonus, which is when you get people to come in at the $400 level, these are the Fast Start bonuses that I received. Okay, so I had 3 of them in April, which is not too bad. I had one here in March, and here's another one in March, and here's another one in March. So this is something that anybody can do. All you have to do is get into the system, get in as high as you can, whatever you can afford. I'm not saying to go in and break the bank, but whatever you can afford to come in at that level, work your way up, and then start running traffic. And again, when you join my team, I will show you strategies that I use on a consistent basis to bring in these kind of numbers and these type of commissions. This is not a get rich quick overnight scheme or anything like that. This is something that you build up little at a time, and it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. So all I've been doing is pumping traffic to this and telling people about what the system can do for them, and allowing my autoresponder, which everybody will have access to, and the email swipes to do the selling and telling for you. So I want to just say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Stay inspired to start a home-based business, because I'm just an example that it is possible. And I want everyone to enjoy the rest of their week. So thanks again for watching this video, and have a great night.